Hey, what's going on, John? Johnny here, John Investor Howard. Just doing a quick video here today. I have been watching Etsy for a while, and I just added Etsy to my investor pie over at M1 Finance, and also added Etsy with really 1% exposure to my IRA accounts and a couple of my other investment accounts. And I found this. I actually saw it a bit ago, but I went ahead and grabbed this little mini documentary on CNBC that covers some really good history on Etsy and their business model and a lot of their business fundamentals. So I wanted to share that with you here. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize my screen just a little bit and then pop over, and we're going to hop right into it. Okay. There we go. All righty.
2005.
So we go 2005, 1 million in sales.
By 2019, that number grew to $5 billion.
All the way up to $5 billion by 2019.
Here's how Etsy became one of the world's biggest.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to hop over to a section where Cramer is. I love Cramer. I've been watching Cramer, well, actually reading Cramer. Back in '99 when I was doing internet stocks, I was actually reading Cramer, and he didn't have a show back then.
Ruel says he sold about 10,000.
And also Cramer, what I love about Cramer is I actually found my Apple. Well, I shouldn't say that. I invested in Apple when I was listening to Cramer talking about the iPhone. So I invested in Apple right before in 2007, before the first iPhone came out. So here is Cramer.
And that is distinguished from everybody else in this world.
Etsy shoppers aren't only looking for handmade goods. They want to form relationships with the people who make them. And it's working.
Lots of people, particularly
so we're going to hop over to some business fundamentals here of what they did recently, okay?
Doing something.
More impressively is how Etsy has gained market share in some of the most competitive segments in retail.
Home furnishings was yet again our biggest category. Etsy sellers sold more than $2 billion worth of home decor and home furnishings over the last 12 months, and that was up over 125% year over year in the second quarter.
125% growth in sales year over year. That's really good.
Etsy sellers
and that's $2 billion. That's a big number right there.
$1 billion of jewelry over the past 12 months, and that was up 50% year over year. If you look at apparel, Etsy sellers sold about $775 million of apparel in the last 12 months, and that was up almost 60% year over year. These are massive.
Yeah, those are big numbers. Those are big year over year growth rate. I mean, $2 billion, 125% year over year growth at $2 billion. Those are big numbers. It's going to be hard to find that sort of growth anywhere else.
Any of its other competitors.
It's very hard to displace that first mover.
So we're going to hop over to where they talk about right now their non-mask sales. Okay,
customers. Even non-mask sales were up 79% year over year. And Etsy's quarterly profit was up more than 400% from a year ago. And that
is a big jump. In fact, I did some research the other day, and I did a video on that as well. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that video here in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It's going to be a little info tab.
0.001, so it's a tenth of a percent. Other than fresh produce.
So what I'm saying is I did a video on some research where basically there's two companies in the companies that I follow, Amazon and Etsy, which were two of the top 10 companies in the S&P 500 that had the highest year-over-year earnings growth. Okay?
I mean, they pretty much address every other vertical in retail. So,
what he's saying there, everybody, is that he's saying retail sales is $7 trillion, and right now Etsy is 0.000. It's like 0.1% of the market that actually Etsy has. So he's trying to say that there is a lot of room to grow that Etsy has to grow with respect to their grip on retail sales.
Sky's the limit.
From its earliest days, Etsy billed itself as more than just a marketplace for handmade goods. It promoted a certain set of.
So there you go, guys. There is some background for you on Etsy. Obviously you can get into more of the reasons that you like the company. I'm actually not an Etsy seller, but we can get into kind of the number of sellers that they have and some other things. But some really, really good fundamentals, with Etsy. They're at a great place. They're under 20 billion in market cap. And if you look at this kind of growth, it's going to really be nearly impossible to find this sort of growth in any other business in terms of these numbers of 400% in certain categories of year-over-year growth. So I think it's a great one, and I hope you liked the video, guys. Remember, you can hit the link on my M1 Finance. You can hit the link on my $7 blueprint, and then you can make some money from your social media profiles, okay? Have a great week, and have a great weekend.